Dear all, I am Dr. Rupak Saxena, a consultant dermatologist practicing at Agra for the past 30 years. On the occasion of World Vitiligo Day, which is 25th June, Glenmark Pharmaceuticals Limited has launched a very good patient awareness initiative, Embrace Your Inner Self. So, on this occasion, I take this opportunity to spread the message of truth, encourage, and transform. Let me start my talk by presenting a few facts of this condition. Vitiligo is a skin condition in which the pigment producing cells known as melanocytes they are destroyed. The exact cause of vitiligo is not known till date. It is an autoimmune reaction, autoimmune disorder, where the body's own cells are being destroyed because of being perceived as foreign. And this is known as autoimmune reaction. This autoimmune phenomenon is also believed to be a cause of melanocyte damage. The inheritance of vitiligo is quite complex because vitiligo is caused by multiple factors. But it has been studied well that 10 to 20% patients of vitiligo they have at least one close relative afflicted with this disease. Importantly, vitiligo is not transmissible to family members by way of contact. Moreover, all white patches on the skin are not of vitiligo. It's only the dermatologist who can differentiate between the various patches suspected to be vitiligo. So, whenever you are in doubt, you should always consult a dermatologist to have the better understanding and to have the better treatment options for it. Now, let me tell the audience about the various treatment options available for vitiligo. The goals of treatment are to control the spread of the disease and simultaneously produce pigmentation over the affected areas. Now the choice of therapy in vitiligo, it depends upon the number of lesions, the site affected, the extent of involvement, and even the patient's convenience. Also, supportive camouflage treatment is there, which helps to reduce the social problems while the patient is on the corrective therapy. Now, the various modalities of treatment which are available for vitiligo are medical treatment, narrowband UVB therapy, surgical treatment, skin protection by way of sunscreens, and the latest one is gene therapy. Now, since vitiligo is an autoimmune disorder, so like any other autoimmune disease, it cannot be fully cured. With the best of the best conditions, most of the time we can check the spread of the disease, or at times even we can prevent the further spread of the disease to other distant areas. But the moment we discontinue the treatment, the vitiligo may reappear. But it can be effectively treated if the patient consults a dermatologist at a very early stage. And you should know that prompt treatment and the regular follow-ups is going to give you the best possible results in the treatment of vitiligo. Now, my final message to the society is that you should not discriminate against the patients affected with vitiligo. You have to understand that it is just a skin condition and not curse. And even you should remember that it is never a contagious disease. It doesn't spread by way of contact. A vitiligo patient can marry and lead a happy married life. So you should change your attitude towards vitiligo patient and you should consider them as part of your daily life. I once again thank Glenmark people for this wonderful initiative and I fully support the cause of eradicating the social stigma associated with vitiligo. Thank you.